Last time, solve natin itong problem using three-moment equation. This time, class, we will use superposition method. So, kung superposition method, class, gagamit tayo ng derived formulas to calculate the reactions. So, kung tatanggalin natin, guys, yung reaction at the middle, yung makikita lang natin na beam is we have a simply supported with pin and roller at the ends. And meron tayong force P, which is 5 kilonewton. And this is 4. And this is 8 meters. So, ang gawin natin, class, is kunin natin yung deflection sa gitna. Kunin natin dito yung deflection. And equate natin yan sa deflection kung maglalagay tayo ng force naman if we have a beam with simple supports ulit. Considering yung force natin, yung reaction natin sa gitna, gagawin natin as force. So, this becomes force P, which yung force natin is R2. And yung deflection niya sa gitna, that becomes, yung deflection natin dito is also equal to the deflection from the 5 kilonewton force. So, for this problem, meron tayong derived formulas for these deflections. Considering the left drawing, meron tayong dito class na formula for our deflection at the midspan. Yung midspan deflection, we have a formula of P multiplied by A 3L squared minus 4A squared all over 48 EI. Where yung A natin dito, ito yung 4 meters, and yung L is yung 4 plus 8, which is 12 meters. Sa kabila, yung midspan deflection dito is simply R2L cube over 48 EI. Nang gawin natin, equate natin yung two formulas, and substitute the values. So, yung P natin is 5, A is 4, then we have multiplied by 3. Ang L natin is 12. Squared minus 4 times 4 squared. Then, yung denominator natin is 48 EI. Equate natin sa R2. L natin is 12 cube all over 48 EI. So, pwede natin in class i-cancel out yung 48 EI. Then, simplify natin. So, this becomes 7,360 sa left equation. Sa kabila is R2. Yung 12 cube natin, yung 12 cube natin is 1,728. So, we can get the value for R2. That is 115 all over 27. That is 4.26 kilonewton. And exactly the same using three-moment equation. Pero as you can see, yung difference ito guys sa three-moment, mas mabilis natin isolve yung reaction using superposition method. As long as sa ulo natin yung formulas for our deflections in our beams. Then, gamit lang tayo class ng summation of moments and summation of forces to get the value for R1 and R3. We can also get the value for R1, that is 65 over 54 kilonewton. And we can also get for R3, that is negative 25 over 54, or meaning yung R3 natin is also going downward.